guys, it's Luke here from Low and Slow Basics, and today we're cooking pastrami brisket. We've got 4 kilos of brisket here, which I picked up from Drake's supermarket, and I've just separated the point from the flat just to make it a bit easier for brining. It's a super easy recipe, but it's a bit of a process. But today we're just going to start off with the brine. First of all, we're going to get 2 litres of water on the boil. Then to that we're going to add half a cup of salt, a tablespoon of Prague powder, 6 juniper berries which we're going to lightly crush, 2 teaspoons of mustard seed, 1 teaspoon of celery seed, and 2 cinnamon quills. And we've got 8 cloves of garlic, which we've just crushed with the back of a knife, and 1 brown onion, which we've cut into quarters. So once the water is boiling, we're just going to add all the ingredients into the water and whisk until the salt is dissolved. So once the salt is dissolved, take it off the heat, add 2 litres of cold water, and let it cool to room temperature. So we've got the brisket here all trimmed, ready to go. Now we're just going to add the brine, which is cooled down to room temperature. So make sure you scrape all the bits out the bottom of the pot, make sure your meat is fully submerged, and wrap it like that. So we're going to refrigerate that for 7 to 8 days, and just make sure you flip the meat throughout the brining process. Alright guys, the brisket's been brining in the fridge for 8 days, so it's time to go into making the spice rub. So we've got a cup of coriander seed, a cup of black pepper, a tablespoon of celery seed, and a tablespoon of mustard seed. So we're just going to toast that off in a pan for about a minute until it's fragrant, and then get it into the mortar and pestle and grind it up. Okay, so all that's left to do is to pat the meat dry and apply the rub. We're going to smoke that in the Weber using the snake method at about 250 degrees Fahrenheit until it reaches an internal temperature of about 200 degrees. Today we're using some Natural Smoke Australia black wattle and cherry wood for smoke. Okay, so these have hit the stall at about 160 degrees Fahrenheit, so I'm just going to wrap them in alfoil and take them to 200. These have been resting in the esky or wrapped in a towel for about an hour. Now we're just going to open them up and slice them up. Okay, so all that's left is to make up some Reubens and enjoy.